Welcome to the Bishop Timon St. Jude Social Studies Department. The Social Studies Department at Bishop Timon St. Jude High School has long prided itself on instilling within our young men a sense of appreciation and critical understanding of how the world works. At Timon, we follow the New York State Regents curriculum for social studies, meaning all students will take both the Global Studies and U.S. History exams. The Global Studies component will happen over their freshman and sophomore years. Global Studies 1 is a world history survey course covering topics such as the beginnings of civilization, the formation of major belief systems, and how the different corners of the world began to become more interconnected. Global Studies 2 is directly aligned with the Regents curriculum, as the students will take the Global Studies Regents exam at the conclusion of this course. The course covers topics such as the growth and impact of industrialization, the impact of imperialism on different parts of the world, major conflicts that change the course of world history, and current issues facing the world today. For their junior year, students will take the United States history. Like Global Studies 2, U.S. History is aligned with the Regents curriculum, and students will take the U.S. History Regents exam at its conclusion. Topics covered in U.S. history include colonial America and the creation of the nation, westward expansion and industrialization, the impact of slavery, America's ascendancy to a world power, as well as more current issues, such as the War on Terror. By the time your son is a senior, he will have completed his Regents requirements and will have the option of taking several of our elective courses. All seniors must take half-year courses of both government and economics, which are designed to teach students real-world knowledge that they can apply as participating citizens. They can also take a variety of half-year electives, such as Civil War, Irish culture, and current events. The integration of technology is a priority for the Social Studies Department. At Timon, we recognize that the world has changed, and the ability to access information can be done instantaneously from a phone. Our goal is to teach our students that this technology can be a tremendous tool not only for finding facts about the past, but also understanding how the world works today. The Social Studies Department takes great pride in our ability to prepare our students. In an immediate practical sense, we have tremendous success in preparing our students for the Regents exams. Our passing rate is significantly higher than the state average. In a larger sense, we are also preparing our students when it comes to citizenship, both of the United States and the world. The ability to critically analyze information, to appreciate a diversity of opinion, and to utilize technology in the pursuit of knowledge are all priorities of this department in creating well-rounded Timon men.